Hi there, I'm doing a bit of work on a higher front loading washing machine, a model HW70 1401-U. Looks a bit like this. What I'm working on at the moment is the drain down here, and this is just a quick description of how to clean out this lint filter. So it's got this black hose that comes out of this little hole here. So before you open this, before you take out this bung, pull out, get a baking tray or something to catch the water. Take the bung out of the end of this pipe. It just pulls out this little plastic bung. Pour all the water into your tray. Then you can take out your lint filter. And now inside here, there's 4 little impeller blades. And somewhere in there, I've heard a little piece of stuff is caught, so I'm going to try and get it out. So if you can see just up at the top tip of my finger, there's a little piece of plastic or something in there, and I could hear it beating around. So I've got a needle nose pliers. I'm just looking at it. What is that? It looks like a security barcode, a security radar thing from a shop tag. I don't know what that would have been stuck on, but it's obviously come off and that's getting caught in there. Sometimes in these things you can find a bit of money. Have a root around, make sure the blade's spinning freely. Don't see anything else in there. So here's the bung. Tighten it up as far as it'll go, it should be okay. And I pulled off the door for this job. It just holds on with a couple of little tabs, so one on each side. Just push it together. So that's the door. And this bad boy just folds up like that behind it. And that's it.